Merong preferred shares offering ngayon ang Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, offering up to 8.25% per annum na dividend. Sa mga nagtatanong at nag-request, watch this video so you can make an informed decision before you decide to invest sa preferred shares ng Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. Disclaimer lang, this is not a financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Investing comes with risk, so make sure you do your own due diligence before investing. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated is offering Series A preferred shares. Price is 1,000 pesos per share, minimum of 50 shares, so which is equivalent to 50,000 pesos minimum investment in multiples of 10 shares. Offer period is from March 15 to March 26 until 12 p.m. And listing date is April 12. Merong two options, Series A1 and Series A2. Series A1 is offering 7.585% per annum na dividend with optional redemption date of 4 years from the listing date or on any dividend payment date thereafter. Series A2 is offering a higher dividend rate of 8.25% per annum with optional redemption date of 7 years. Take note, merong 10% na withholding tax na mababawas sa dividend. The dividends will be payable on the 12th day of July, October, January, and April. So, pag nag-subscribe ka sa CLI Preferred Shares, you will get your first dividend payment on July 12. Maximum qualified number of shares to subscribe will be based on available funds in the client's account on deadline date. Pwede ring magkaroon ng oversubscription pag mas marami ang nag-subscribe versus yung preferred shares na ino-offer. So if that happens, shares will be raffled. So maybe by their minimum subscription amount. If you want to subscribe, click mo lang itong click here. However, pag wala ka pang online trading account, kailangan mo muna mag-open ng online trading account sa broker para makabili ka ng preferred shares. I suggest sa COL Financial ka mag-open ng account kasi beginner-friendly and user-friendly ang trading platform ng COL Financial and 1,000 pesos lang din ang initial deposit. Make sure you read the terms of the offer bago ka mag-invest. Kung aling option ang pipiliin mo will depend on your investment goal. For me, since I treat preferred shares as fixed income instruments, I always choose yung higher dividend rate. So, bago ang lahat, syempre, kailangan alamin muna natin ang company kung saan tayo mag-i-invest para malaman natin if the company has the capacity to pay the dividends consistently. For background, Cebu Landmasters Incorporated engages in the development, leasing, management, and sale of real estate properties in the Philippines. The projects are spread across Cebu, Bohol, Misamis Oriental, Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, and Davao. CLI has a market cap of 9.81 billion pesos. Revenue and earnings of CLI have consistently grown over the past 8 years. So, ang ganda ng graph nila. Ang 8-year annualized growth rate sa revenue is 36.1%, while 3-year annualized growth rate is 24.4%. In terms of profitability, CLI has 8-year annualized growth rate of 18.29%, while 3-year annualized growth rate is 28.31%. CLI has high quality earnings. Return on equity is also high, consistently above 20% over the past 7 years. This shows that CLI is effectively using its shareholders' equity to generate profits. In terms of debt to equity ratio, mataas ang DE ratio ng CLI, nasa 187.6%. But the good thing is, ang total assets naman ng CLI exceeds its total liabilities. Real estate is a capital-intensive industry. So this means that significant upfront investments are often required to acquire properties, develop land, or construct buildings. It's common for companies in this sector to finance their operations through a combination of debt and equity. A DE ratio below 200% is generally considered acceptable for a real estate industry. Negative ang free cash flow ng CLI over the past 7 years, though improving naman. Free cash flow is the remaining cash after a company has paid for its operating expenses and capital expenditures to maintain and grow the business. Siyempre, mas gusto natin pag positive ang free cash flow ng isang company. Positive free cash flow indicates that the company has sufficient cash flow to cover its operating expenses, invest in growth opportunities, and pay its debt obligations without relying on external financing. Ang sabi naman dito sa article, negative cash flow is not always bad. Negative free cash flow can also be a good sign when the investments that the company makes are showing positive signs of success. So such positive signs could be accelerated revenue growth and increasing margins. Some industries like real estate development or infrastructure projects typically involve large upfront investments and longer gestation periods before generating positive cash flow. Kita naman natin sa performance ng CLI na growing ang kanilang revenue and earnings. Investing in a company with negative free cash flow requires careful consideration and understanding of the company's specific circumstances. It can carry some risk, but it may also present opportunities for investors who believe in the company's long-term prospects. Pa-like and share na rin para makatulong din sa iba and to help this channel grow.